Hello friends, how are you? There are two questions in front of you. First, understand the concept and then we will solve the questions. Our concept is how do we make a perfect square from the product of four consecutive terms of an AP. Assume if we have AP A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Means common difference are nothing but D. If we want to make it perfect square, we just need to find the common difference. Here the common difference visible is D. Then we just need to add D raised to power 4 to make a perfect square. So this is our first concept. Say if we have 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 and we have to make a perfect square, we just need to find the gap. The gap is nothing but of 2. So we just need to add 2 raised to power 4, that means nothing but 16. I hope it is clear. So my one question to you, 1 into 5 into 9 into 13 should add in this product to make it a perfect square. Yes, it is 256. How? The gap is of the 4, 4, 4. So this would be nothing but 4 raised to power 4, that is nothing but 256. So our first concept is when we have four consecutive terms of an AP and we have to make a perfect square, we just add common difference raised to power 4. Now second concept is what would be the square root of this value? Product of four consecutive terms plus common difference raised to power 4. Common difference raised to power 4 is the least term, and then what would be the under root of this value? The under root of this value is nothing but the first term and the last term plus common difference square. I hope this is clear. Now understand the concepts with the help of few questions. If we have 10 into 11 into 12 into 13, find the least number we should add in this product to make it a perfect square, that is 10 into 11 into 12 into 13 with the common difference of 1. So we need to add 1 raised to power 4, that is nothing but 1. And what would be the under root of this value is the first term and last term plus common difference square, or the under root of this is nothing but 131. I hope it is clear. Try again. 20 into 22 into 24 into 26. Find the least number we should add in this to make it a perfect square. The common difference is always 2. So that is nothing but 2 raised to power 4. So we need to add 16. And what is the value of this under root? That is first term into last term plus common difference square. So this is nothing but 520 plus 4 is 524. I hope this is clear. Now, can you answer me? And our first question is find the least natural number we should add in 13 into 16 into 19 into 22 to make it a perfect square. We know these four terms are in AP. Gap of 3 to make a perfect square, we just need 3 raised to power 4 is nothing but 81. I hope this is clear. Now solve the second question, that is under root of 10 into 12 into 14 into 16 plus n equal to m. Find the value of m if n is the least natural number possible. We know the gap is of 2, means common difference of 2, so n should be nothing but 2 raised to power 4 is nothing but 16. But our question is not to find n, our question is find to m, and we know how we do find m. First term into last term plus common difference square, that is 10 into 16 plus common difference square is nothing but 164. So the m is nothing but 164. I hope this is clear to you. Even if you have any doubt, feel free to ping me. Thank you and happy learning.